Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Crimi-Trent. Today we're going to work on these really simple, sweet, quick watercolor doodles that you can use for Christmas cards, birthday cards, anything you like, bookmarks, whatever craft you feel like putting together. So let's get started. Okay, so this is super easy. Anybody can do this. I'm using a scrap of my Arches watercolor paper, 100% cotton cold water press. You could use any scrap or any kind of watercolor paper for this. This is a simple doodle with a wash of color, and it's very easy. So I just sketched out a circle. I don't know if you can see it here. And I'm just going to go along with it. And I use a Sharpie pen. It's a great permanent marker. This is an ultra fine point tip. If you want to use a different type of permanent marker, there's a whole bunch of other micro pens you can use. That works just as well. So you just take the pen and go around the circle. If the line is broken, it's no big deal. Just go round and round. It's not perfect, and who cares? From here, you can make branched out lines going like this. This is so easy, because I know some people are struggling with just painting, so doodling. Let me zoom this in a little more for you. Oh, sorry, the lighting's fickle. There we go. And from the branches, like you see here, you can do little branches from there. You can do the little berries. You can go out here and you can just do these simple leaves. See? Look at that. Put a line in the middle if you want. Out here, you can put out the berries. More simple leaves. Put a little line in the middle. Get my point. You can change up the leaves, make them roundish. Put little leaves like that. You can do even longer ones. Just have fun going throughout the whole entire wreath. Change up the leaves. You can move this around so you can see better. Like I said, just keep playing around with this. You can have a curl one like that. See, like that? Add a little leaf on the edge. Add leaf with spikes. Again, do the branches, put the berries. Just keep going around and around. So I'm going to fill this in all around, and then we'll come back and wash it in with color. Okay, so now this is all filled in, and you can take whatever size brush you like. You can use a big brush, little brush, medium brush. You can use this tiny Grumbacher brush here, and you can go in and fill it with some green. I'm going to use, let's see if you can see this, mixing like a yellowish green. I might throw in a little hookers with that. Get that medium color green. And then I'm going to go in and fill in some leaves. With this green. Sporadically throughout. It's like paint by number when you do it this way. And you know what? Do not feel like it has to go completely inside the lines. If it's out, it's fine. If it's in, it's fine. It didn't fill it, it's fine. I'm gonna grab a little aqua type blue for screen. Maybe that's a little too aqua. Getting more of green blue, I think. That's what I'm trying to go for. So I mixed a little green with that. Just a little variety. So you're just playing around, just whipping through, throwing in color real fast. Just playing around, just going as you go around the circle, so the color composition is uniform. I might add actually a little Payne's gray in some of these leaves. And then some of the deeper green. Looks like I'm running out of leaves. Just filling this in real quick. Basically, it's a doodle. A little doodle. Let's see, any more leaves? The berries could be red if you want them to be. I'm going to zoom in here, and I'm going to make them gold. And I'm going to use that gold that I love, which is this liquitex acrylic ink. It's just really intense, and it works great. And you're just going to blop this where the little berry circles are. Look how pretty that is. Just dotting in them like so. Like I said, it doesn't have to go right in the middle of the line. Everything can be outside the lines if you want it to be. Just has this fun quality to it. This would be great for a card or decor. Actually fill in some leaves with gold. Any more leaves over here? Could add one anyway. You just add some accent. Just put the gold along the leaves or the wreath itself. And look at that. It's so cute. Can you see the shininess? I love it. It's simple and sweet. You can draw whatever you want in the middle. You can write a word, not write a word. And actually this wreath, this kind of tutorial, you could use it for Christmas, not Christmas, invitations, whatever you want to do it. And here's another simple one we can do. Drawing doodle, that's fun. Making a branch, let me pull this up. Again with the Sharpie. Just gonna go like this. Curve a line. Make some leaves. Pull it out again. More leaves. These are just really fun, simple, quick, easy doodles you can play around with. Just have fun putting it down. Just pull it up. And you can add some berries to this. The leaves over here. And you can just write something simple like merry and bright. Like that. You can add some more leaves if you want, if you think it's too sparse. But this is just like a doodle. It's very simple. You don't have to overthink it. And again, we go back in with the paintbrush and just fill in the colors. You can make this pale green. Really simple. Really quick. If you are very limited on time and you want to make something nice and homemade, this is something super fast and easy. You could whip out a bunch of these in a day, and people would appreciate it because it is handmade. You can do it on a smaller piece and then place this part on a colorful cardstock. Just put that in here. Color the leaves, and again adding the gold, the gold acrylic ink that I have just in the little circles. It's so sweet and simple. This is a fast doodle tutorial. When you're limited on time, limited on budget, playing around with where the gold is going, adding more. Guess you could call me gold crazy. But you get the idea. There you have it. Two really cute, simple, sweet doodle. Look at that gold, I love it. Tutorials on making Christmas cards or any kind of card, be birthday, whatnot. It doesn't have to be for Christmas. It looks like it could be for any season. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for stopping by.